Hey guys, what's going on? It's Doombreaker again and I'm here with another video for you guys. So today I had the idea, because not everything is moved from my old PC to my new PC yet, to make a new series called HTML tutorials. So it's also programming and it's not Visual Basic, so just to keep you guys in the programming mood, I thought let's make HTML tutorials. Also, it doesn't require anything. All you need is a text editor. So I'm using Notepad++ because it's a little easier to read everything, and you guys can understand the code better, I think, if I use Notepad++. If you don't want to use Notepad++, that's alright, you can use regular Notepad as well. So if you don't know what HTML is basically the structure that every web page across the globe uses. So it's not solely HTML, you can also, or there is also CSS, PHP, JavaScript and all that stuff, but that's for later. For now we are going to use solely HTML, nothing else, no bullshit. So let's start with the tutorial. So first of all, what you want to do is create file called index.html. So why it has to be called index, I'm going to explain that in a later tutorial, like a lot later, when we finally put the website online. But it needs to be .html because of course it's an HTML file. What do you expect? So let's start coding. So HTML uses a basic structure. So first you need to have your doctype. This is required. And I already made a mistake. So you're going to open up this, I don't know what it's called in English, but whatever, you're going to open that weird bracket thingy. Then exclamation mark doctype HTML and then close. So before HTML5 you had to type a pretty long string of all kinds of text that linked to W3C. So what W3C is also going to be explained in a future tutorial, but for now let's just stick with this. So doctype HTML, and then you need to open a head tag, whoops. Then you need to close a head tag. So HTML is divided in tags. So a tag is basically those weird bracket thingies with a word in it that well, tells the computer what the tag is. And then to close the tag you need to do the same thing but with /. So every website has a head and every website has a body, kind of like a human. So you don't really need to worry about the spaces, but just because of you know, structure and thing, I like to keep spaces and backspaces and all those things to make it more readable for users. So in the head, everything in the head is basically everything that needs to be run on your website but doesn't need to be seen by the user per se. So the body is the exact opposite. So the body is everything that the user can see, can visually see, and nothing that really makes the website work. So let's start doing some stuff with our website. So let's make this head thingy, and we make a title tag, title, my first web page, then close the title. I really cannot type today. Title, yes. So what this is, I'm going to show you what this is when we run the website, but for now just, you know, put something in here between two title brackets. Then here we are going to open a P, and P stands for paragraph. So it's basically everything that is text related is put into a paragraph, with some exceptions of course, but we're going to get into that later. So let's do the standard hello world, like every program. Then close the paragraph thingy. So now we have our basic website, and I'm going to go ahead and save it. And a website doesn't need a compiler like any other program does. You can just run the code with a web browser and it will just automatically work. So I'm going to go to run in Notepad and run it with Chrome. So as you can see, we now have our web page, hello world. There's nothing else on it, it's just plain white stuff. That's what she said. With black text saying hello world, no special fonts or anything. And the title, my best friends, is displayed right here on the top, as you can see. So that's basically everything that this code does. It just displays the text hello world on screen with the title my first web page. So this was the very first HTML tutorial on my YouTube channel. If you like this series and you want to see more and you want to learn more, consider subscribing. Also, if you like this video, click the like button below, because it only takes like 1.2 seconds or anything. So go ahead and do that. I have some cool stuff to announce in like the next couple weeks. So stay tuned for that, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye.